You end the day drained and full of everyone else's energy. It's not just tiredness, it's your energy field asking for help. Here's a 60-second practice that actually works. Hi. So, you're an empath, you're highly sensitive. What helps you in 60 seconds or less to feel less drained, to feel more energized and protected? Angels, please surround me now in your protective field of white light and rose light. Help me free my body of everyone else's energy. And here's something else. And it's that quick. Now, if you are somewhere where you have your feet flat on the ground, whether you're outside, whether you are on the first floor or on the 20th floor or the 50th floor, this works equally well. Your feet are planted on the ground, flat on the surface. Imagine roots growing down from your feet, 6 feet down, 6 feet around. This is not to anchor you. This is to exchange energy that is not yours. And even if it is yours, because you've been absorbing all this junkolitis all day or all week or whatever, whenever, from whomever, or stuff has come up from within you because you were triggered, you allowed yourself to be triggered. Something triggers you. Six roots, 6 feet down, 6 feet around. Now allow yourself to give all the energy that you're willing to give to Mother Earth. Why do I say the 20th or the 50th floor? It doesn't matter, because the foundation, the floor beneath you, all came from materials that originated with Mother Earth. That's my understanding. That's what the angels taught me. Because you can't always be outside with your shoes off. You just can't. Maybe it's winter, maybe you're on the 20th floor or the second floor, and going outside in that moment just isn't practical. But my gosh, you need help right now. Okay, there's that. So, what are I'm trying to think, so I'm going to check my notes. What are the most powerful crystals to help you ground right now? Okay. And um, release energies that aren't yours. So this is something that I was going to share with you just a moment ago. You can, when you are thinking of, and the angels, please help me, release everything that is not mine. Help me release everything that is not mine. It's that it. That's it. You can also, thank you, it'll help me release all that is mine. Because, the conscious mind is all about bringing up the past or worry about what's coming in the future, what's not coming in the future. When is this going to happen? How is that going to happen? Why hasn't it happened? Whew. Every time we ask those questions of ourselves, we feel it, we're delaying the outcome. I'm still practicing that one. Okay, so we have some different, so this is this is red hematoid quartz. This is red jasper, blue kyanite, and then I have several different forms or shapes for selenite. You can have it perfectly raw, not polished, just a big hunk of it. Selenite sphere, selenite angel, one of my favorite things, of course. And I'll even show you in a little while how to cut cords with a selenite athame or an athame, however you want to call it, whatever your shape is. And this one just happens to have, maybe you can see it, the moon, waxing, waning, and full moon design in there. Just put these down gently. Okay, so the second 60 sec, here's one that I like to use. And I've gotten to where I almost don't care who sees me doing it. Still practicing that. When I'm feeling, oh my gosh, I put my hands just above my head and I bring slowly down and I breathe out. So I'm bringing because all the conscious mind does zzz. So you're bringing it down. How did I learn this? Just started doing it. Because when you're feeling overwhelmed, when there's so much going on in your beautiful mind, just bring it down. You're not lowering your vibration, you're just soothing the energies that kind of got a bit jiggy-jaggy. Junculitis. Okay, I'm going to check my notes because I want to make sure. All right, so a simple angel-guided three-step protection. Okay. We covered this a little bit in module 2, the 3 fingers. So if you are right-handed, you can use your left fingers, okay? Your 2 middle ones and your thumb. We still call them fingers. If you're left-hand dominant, then use your right hand fingers, 2 fingers and a thumb. This is called a physical anchor. So that when you have practiced it enough, and it can only, you set the intention once, okay? So when you set the intention, be where you can do this for just 5 minutes or less, but just 5 minutes. And I'm right hand dominant, so I'm going to show you with my left hand. You can have selenite or kyanite, red jasper, red hematoid quartz. You can even use clear quartz, okay? If you don't have any of these yet, or they're not with you, but you're going to be doing this to set the intention. So be in your sacred space where you can be undisturbed for at least 5 minutes. It's that simple. Because then after that, it's just this, okay? So have the thing, oh, right, if you don't have any of the crystals, just imagine a ball of pink light in your hand. Pink is the color of love. You can use gold, yes. Pink is for unconditional love, and it also puts a bubble of pink light around you so that your body, your aura, your etheric energy bodies are protected, and the pink bubble filters out any unwanted or most unwanted energies, because those who practice the dark side, they practice just as hard or maybe more than those of us who are practicing light, love, forgiveness, and abundance, and overall well-being. So we all practice dark and light, okay? So we're going to work with red jasper at the moment. So if you are left hand dominant, have the crystal in your left hand, and then your fingers on your right hand, your 2 fingers and your thumb. I am right hand dominant, so I'm going to have my left hand. And you can have them in your lap. So it's 5 minutes, and the intention takes like 60 seconds. And then just allow your whole entire being to feel it, to embrace it, to infuse yourself, so that when you need this 60-second technique, that's it. Okay. I set the intention that whenever, no matter where I am, what is happening or what is not happening, I set the intention that when I bring these 3 fingers together, I am immediately surrounded in a beautiful bubble of light that repels, dissolves, eliminates, breaks up negative energy. Thank you. In full faith, so be it and so it is. Something like that. You can use those words or you can use your own. Keep it simple. Do not describe the thing. Do not describe the feelings, because that just re-imprints what you are wanting to dissipate, to melt, to dissolve, to eliminate. Okay? Now you can do that with red hematoid quartz. You can do it with blue kyanite. You can do it with black kyanite, yes. Black tourmaline, I didn't bring it with me. Forgot that one. Must be a reason. You can do it with clear quartz. You can do it with selenite. Okay. So what is an easy way, because we don't always have our athames with us, and it's probably not a good idea to bring these to work because they are pointy and people don't get it. You know, if they're not of like mind, they don't get it. And it's not about bringing attention to you. It's about just being you, protecting yourself, and just not absorbing so much energy from other people and other situations, or at least deflecting and repelling as much as it can, or you can, right? Okay. So you're not at home. You're not in your sacred space. You're at work. You're out and about, wherever. 3 fingers. And in your mind, you can say it out loud if you so choose. Archangel Michael, please cut and remove all negativity from within and around me. Boom. That's it. That's it. Archangel Michael, please remove all negativity from within and around me. That's all you got to say. That's it. We humans make everything hard. Okay, so what do you do? Here's what do you do if you're at home? So here's an athame. Okay. Now that screen is bouncing in and out. All right. So here's a smaller one. So left hand facing up. I have it, I just hold my arm at waist height, but you can't see it if I'm doing that. So this is what I do, because energy comes in from the left. This technique is for both right and left hand dominant folks like you or me. And then I will just cut in front of me, just a swift movement. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll do it on my back. Why do I do 3 sets of 3? 9 is a number of completion. And 3 is for the Trinity. Body, mind, and soul. Heart, mind, and body, heart, mind, and soul. However, Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, okay? Whatever your Trinity is. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I can do it and do it on your back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know you can't see that. You can do it above your head for the crown. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. An easier way, or what you can also do, is to have either one of these kinds of things, whatever size, as long as it fits underneath your pillow and you don't toss and thrash around, it will absorb any and all negativity from you, within and around you, during your sleep time. Do I do this? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely do this all the time. There you have it.